Hi friend, this is Peter Bain, founder of ForexMentor.com. I'm also the senior mentor there. When you get a chance, please go to www.forexmentor.com and check out the products and services that we have available to you. We are considered to be the go-to site on the internet for anything and everything to do with the Forex. That's ForexMentor.com. Now, in today's presentation, I want to talk about times to trade. Now, you don't have to sit at your computer all day long to trade the Forex. Obviously, that's not possible if you have a day job. And depending upon where you work or live on this planet, there are times that you may or may not wish to trade the Forex, or there are times when you just can or can't trade the Forex. I'm going to talk about that today. As a matter of fact, I'm going to talk about 3 of the 6 times. The times that I'm talking about are listed on the left of your screen. These times are Eastern times. Starting at the top, 3 a.m. Eastern time is the London Open. 8 a.m. Eastern time, New York Open. Noon Eastern time, London close. 5 p.m. Eastern time, New York close. 7 p.m. Eastern time, Tokyo Open. 9 p.m. Eastern time, Singapore Open. Now, going back to the top of the screen, 3 a.m. Eastern time is the London Open. Really, the window of opportunity is anywhere from 2 to 4. You should start looking at your screen around 2. Same logic applies to the other times. The Forex is not a building or an exchange, and it's an electronic medium between 2 counterparties, buyers and sellers. So when I say that the London Open is in and around 3 a.m. Eastern time, I'm not talking about traders going in and out of doors. I'm talking about, for example, with the London Open, traders starting to trade the London session perhaps may have a different view on a currency pair than traders coming off of the Asian session. And so you're going to see more often than not swings at these times. And of course, where you see a swing, this offers a profit situation. We at ForexMentor.com strive to achieve 20 pips a day at least with our trading. Now, that may not seem like a big deal to you, but if you do the math, in a standard account, 20 pips a day over a month translates into $4,000 US a month, which is more than some people make in their day jobs. So nothing to be sneered at. Of course, when our traders become successful at ForexMentor.com, which happens in short order, they then can move on to achieve more than 20 pips a day. So let's have a look at what I'm talking about. I'm going to reference the EuroCAD. You can see the description up here at the top of your screen. This is a daily chart. 5 or 6 months, pardon me, up to last Friday, the 19th of August, 2011. 50 exponential moving average above the 200 exponential moving average. Good angle and separation. You can see MACD down here. These are the only 3 indicators I plot on all of my charts, and I don't maximize the settings for MACD. There's absolutely no need to do that unless you're making so much money that you just want to fine-tune MACD. But assuming you're not making gobs of money yet, then just leave these settings alone. The number 1 indicator, voted number 1 many years ago by traders, was the 200 exponential moving average. It determines the trend. You can see the trend up on the EuroCAD, and also you can see the trend up on the hourly chart, 10 days up to last Friday, the 19th of August, 50 above the 200. MACD down here, that's 2 for 2, daily up, hourly up. Now, I want to fine-tune this chart, the hourly chart. I actually want to look at 20 days up to last Friday the 19th of August 2011. And so let's just walk through it. You again can see the 20 exponential moving average trending up on the hourly chart. The trend is up. Here we have what I consider to be a dip in the uptrend. What we like to do at ForexMentor.com is to buy the dips in the uptrend. In other words, buy weakness. The advantage here is when you're buying weakness here, and putting your stop 20 to 30 pips southward, which is what we recommend, you're not going to get stopped out because you're buying weakness. If you buy up here and put your stop 20 to 30 pips southward, you're going to get stopped out. So always buy weakness in the uptrend. And what we're looking at here is 2 back-to-back buying opportunities in and around the New York Open, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. You can see the dates at the bottom of this chart. Buying the dips in the uptrend at the New York Open. Now, you have to be patient, obviously. Some traders have the notion of fire, fire, fire. We at forexmentor.com talk about ready, fire, aim. In other words, you got to wait for these setups. Let's just have a look at the next setup, which occurred sometime after we have weakness in here. The 200 exponential moving average trending up. We have a weakness here. We're going to buy this dip in the uptrend. This happens to be at the London Open, in and around the London Open on this particular day, 3 a.m. Eastern Time. And then we move on to another buying opportunity over here. This is the fourth buying opportunity in a relatively short period of time. And this one happens to be at the London close in and around noon Eastern Time. That's 4 trades in a row. But you have to be patient. You can see in between these trading opportunities there is time. And you have to be patient. There's trade number 1, number 2, number 3. And number 4, you have to be patient waiting for these trade setups. But you can see that it's the advantage is there to wait for these trade setups because each of these trades was profitable. It's not about the number of trades you make. It's the amount of money that you have in your account at the end of perhaps the month. All right. So I only talked about today the London Open, New York Open, and the London close. Of course, there are other opportunities. 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Tokyo Open, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Singapore Open. I'm sorry, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, New York close, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Tokyo Open, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Singapore Open. There you go. 6 times of the day. You want to be at your computer in and around these times. Of course, if you have a day job, you know, you can pick the timer times that work for you, or depending upon where you are. For example, we have a trader in the Seattle area of the United States who likes to trade the London close because, of course, noon Eastern Time is 9 Pacific Time for her. She gets her trading out of the way in the morning, and then she has the rest of her day to do other things. She specializes in the London close, and her success rate is an unheard of 90%. Of course, when you become a member at forexmentor.com, you're going to get access to her trading strategy. That's Shirley Hudson. You may want to write that down when you become a member. Just check out that you want to get a copy of her course. Now, I have a special offer for you. Thanks for you taking the time to go through this video tutorial, and the offer is at the top of your screen, www.forexmentor.com/blueprint/ there it is at the top of your screen right there. This is a step-by-step approach to mastering trading opportunities in the Forex. This was consummated by Frank Paul, one of the great mentors. We have a number of mentors at forexmentor.com. Frank Paul is a superb trader and mentor. Again, the link at the top of your screen, www.forexmentor.com/blueprint/. Please check it out and take advantage of this. Is a special offer just for you for taking the time to go through this video tutorial. Brought to you by forexmentor.com. When you get a chance, go to www.forexmentor.com. Check out the products and services that we have for you. We're considered to be the go-to site on the internet for anything and everything to do with the Forex. We are the most trusted name in Forex education. Friend, thank you for watching. Some disclaimers here to keep the legal beagles happy. And of course, that's the end of this video tutorial brought to you by forexmentor.com. I do these on a regular basis, as a matter of fact, on a weekly basis. So make sure you come back for the next one, and also make sure you go through the ones I've already done. Friend, thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye for now.